Have you ever walked into a room that just felt right? The light is perfect. The air feels clean. Every object on the shelf has a story. It's stylish, but it's not trying too hard. It feels lived in, loved, and deeply personal. Now, what if I told you that the secret to creating that feeling isn't found in a catalogue from a giant fast furniture store? What if the most beautiful, soulful spaces aren't bought, but are built slowly, intentionally, and sustainably? Welcome, friends, to the art of Eco-Chic. This isn't about sacrificing style for sustainability. It's about realizing that true style is sustainable. It's about transforming your space into a sanctuary that tells your story, respects the planet, and nourishes your well-being. Stick with me, because we're about to dive into how you can create a home that's not just beautiful to look at, but feels beautiful to live in. Let's be real for a second. The world of interior design can be overwhelming. One day, it's all minimalism. The next, it's grand millennial trends flash by faster than you can say avocado toast. And in our rush to keep up, we've created a hidden monster, the cycle of fast furniture. Cheap disposable pieces that are designed to fall apart, end up in a landfill, and be replaced with the next trendy thing. It's exhausting for our wallets and catastrophic for our planet. But there's a rebellion brewing, a quiet, beautiful revolution centered on mindful living and the circular economy. It's a shift from wanting more to loving better. It's about choosing pieces that last, that have history, and that will have a future. This is the heart of sustainable interior design, and it's the most creative thing you can possibly do for your home. First pillar, the thrill of the hunt, vintage and secondhand. Forget IKEA hacks for a second, though no shade. I love a good Billy bookcase, and let's talk about the real treasure trove, vintage homeware and thrift stores. This is the ultimate in zero-waste home decor. You're not creating a demand for new resources. You're saving a perfectly beautiful item from oblivion and giving it a new life. My best thrift flip ideas always start with seeing the potential, not the past. A dated wooden dresser, that solid oak under there, a coat of non-toxic paint, or a sanding back to its natural grain can make it the star of your bedroom. An ugly painting has a fantastic frame. A chipped ceramic bowl can become a perfect home for a succulent. The story here is everything. That coffee table isn't just a table. It's the one you spent a whole weekend lovingly restoring. Those glasses in your cabinet aren't just glasses. They're the set you found, complete, at a flea market for $10. Your space becomes a curated museum of your own adventures. It's personal, it's unique, and honestly, it's just so much cooler than anything you can get off a truck in a flat-packed box. Second pillar, choose consciously ethical and green brands. Now, of course, you can't find everything secondhand. Sometimes you need a new mattress, a new sofa, a new dining table. This is where the world of ethical furniture brands comes in. This is 2025, and we are blessed with an explosion of companies who are doing the right thing. We're talking circular economy brands that use FSC certified woods, recycled metals, and organic textiles. They're transparent about their supply chains, they treat their workers fairly, and they often have take-back programs for when you're done with the piece. Yes, the price tag is often higher, but we need to reframe that cost. You're not paying for a product, you're investing in a piece that will last for decades, not years. You're voting with your wallet for a healthier planet. You're supporting innovation and ethics. It's the opposite of fast fashion for your home. It's slow living, interior design in its purest form. When you do buy new, look for certifications. Look for natural materials, solid wood, bamboo, cork, organic cotton, linen, and wool. These materials are durable, beautiful, and they age with grace, becoming more characterful over time. Third pillar, bring the outside in, biophilic design. This might be my favorite part. Biophilic design is a fancy term for a very simple, innate human desire to connect with nature. And study after study shows that spaces that incorporate natural elements reduce stress, improve creativity, and boost our overall well-being. This is more than just buying a few houseplants. Though welcome to the plant core aesthetic, you're in the right place. It's about maximizing natural light. It's about choosing a color palette inspired by the world outside. Earthy tones, serene blues, leafy greens. It's about incorporating natural materials like jute rugs, seagrass, baskets, and stone countertops. It's about flow and air. opening a window instead of turning on the air conditioner, hanging a bird feeder outside your window, creating a small herb garden on your kitchen sill. Your home shouldn't feel like a sealed box, but a living, breathing extension of the natural world. This connection is the very soul of eco-chic home design. Fourth pillar, the power of your two hands, DIY sustainable decor. You don't have to be a master carpenter to add a personal, sustainable touch. DIY sustainable decor is about small, impactful projects. Make your own natural cleaning products with vinegar and essential oils. Turn old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags. Paint old jars to become votive holders or storage containers. Frame your kids' art instead of buying new prints. Create a gallery wall of found postcards and vintage photos. Learn to mend your textiles instead of throwing them away. A darned sock or a patched cushion cover is a badge of honor, a testament to a life of care and resourcefulness. These projects aren't just about the end product, they're about the mindfulness of the process itself. I know this can all sound like a lot. It can feel like you have to be perfect. But please, hear me on this. Eco-Chic is not about perfection, it's about intention. It's about making one better choice next time you need something. It's about choosing the recycled glass bottle over the new plastic one. It's about mending that one chair instead of trashing it. It's about supporting one local maker instead of a giant corporation. This is a journey, not a destination. Start small. Fall in love with the process. Your home is not a showroom. It's the setting of your life. Let it evolve slowly, filled with pieces that you truly love, that have meaning, and that tread a little more lightly on the earth. When you do that, you create something far more valuable than a Pinterest perfect space. You create a home, a true sanctuary, a place that is authentically, sustainably, and beautifully you. So what do you say? Are you ready to look at your space with new eyes, to see the potential in what's already there? To embrace the art of eco. If you're feeling inspired, give this video a thumbs up and share your own sustainable home makeover tips and thrift flip ideas in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more content on mindful living and creating a home you love. Thanks for watching, and remember, design your space, design your life, and always design with heart.